I'd like to take a few minutes to tell you all about Detoxify Yourself and how it changed my life. So let's start at the beginning. My story starts in the classroom. I was a beginning teacher just starting out my career, and I was finding myself exhausted by the end of the day. No energy left. I was experiencing awful digestion problems, and I was carrying around extra weight that I obviously didn't want and I wanted to get rid of. So that is when I turned to Detoxify Yourself, because I really felt that I had the exercise thing down. I was running and in fitness classes, but it wasn't until I turned to nutrition that my digestion started significantly improving, my energy level came up, and that weight started falling off. And I owe it all to Detoxify Yourself. This is a 30-day meal plan, and in the book, Drew talks about how to live a lifestyle free from refined sugar, gluten, dairy, soy, and GMO. So it's a 30-day meal plan, a step-by-step guide. It's literally like someone taking you by the hand and guiding you through the steps for 30 days. It even has grocery shopping lists, so you can take the book with you to the grocery store and you have everything you need in there weekly to succeed. So if you are ready to have more energy, to have improved digestion, and lose some weight, then you need Detoxify Yourself in your life. So you can head on over to trueformlife.com/detoxify yourself to get started to a new, better you today.